got a package from Temu. Like, I can't wait. Don't wait for it. So my guys, I actually got my first package from Temu, and the free gift. Like, I'm so kind of, I want to do some breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, so that I can actually, see what exactly, if it's what I'm expecting, that what I'm seeing, guys. Like, fingers crossed. Guys, you won't believe that I was skeptical at first, when people were actually, complaining of something that, and some people are testifying, some people are complaining. So I was like, let me give Temu a trial, but fingers crossed. I've not opened it. Let me open it with you guys. Like, mine comes as this, and they use Speed AF Express for my own delivery, and it was, I ordered, I think it took 2 weeks. It took 2 weeks, right? I'm going to calculate it to know how many days it actually took me to collect this from Temu. So guys, let's see what it's like. This is their packaging somehow, guys. Hold up. I was skeptical at first about this. It's actually strong. And this is actually free. Hey. Man, wow. This one actually beats my imagination. What? God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay.
Why are they giving people free things like that? I don't understand. They want to make profit.
Profits, like.
How do they not make profit?
Can you imagine? Why are they giving people free things? And if you get like up to like 15, 16, 19 persons, they will still give you. Like, people are cashing out from Temu. I don't know. Like,
I don't understand.
Hey, I don't understand too. I'm actually surprised too. So I don't know what are they actually trying to, trying to gain. In as much as it's also a strategic way to pull people to their app. They are also making mad money. Anyway, let's say it's part of advertisement. Their strategic advertisement, guys. So you know how much I love annual products. You know how much I love annual products. So when I saw it on Temu, I was like, is this genuine? Is it genuine? Anyway, I actually have a prototype. I've seen some in the market. I've seen some. So I was like, let me try this Temu. The price I saw online was actually quite a little bit equivalent to what I ordered. Okay, let's say 5,000 naira ish, difference, or 5,000 to 8,000 naira difference, because I actually ordered the cleansing foam. I got the pore control oil, like the cleansing oil, and I saw this sunscreen, and I was like, I don't know how the sunscreen is going to be like. Let me just try my luck. That was why I ordered 2 different types of sunscreen. Anyway, I think it's time. Let me open them to see if it's actually what's inside. Right? Like, I keep on wondering, what is Temu trying to gain from spoiling people like this? Look at what I got from Temu. I will open all these things. This one is my perfect size. I can't believe myself. Like, damn you. Like, damn. It was so nice. It was over nice. Like, beautiful. This is just too fine. This is too fine. Look at. Oh, I love it. 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 Okay, let me open this one. Open this one. No, but I actually have these two in my routine already, and seriously, I was so in love with it. When I saw it on Temu, I was like, what? I'm getting you. For a start. For a start. I'm getting you for a start. Like seeing this here. Made in China. Am I seeing made in China? It's supposed to be made in Korea. I will need to compare. I will need to compare this one, this China one, to the Korean one. Okay, made in. Wait. Like they actually covered made in Korea for me. So I'm trying to understand why is it so. Made in China and they're covering my made in Korea. Why? Why are they covering it for me? Why are they covering it? Well, let me keep it this way. I'm trying to open it right now. Okay. This is totally different. Like the packaging is actually different. I'm seeing packaging is different. Yeah. Maybe I'm going to try both of them, since this one is made in China and the annual one is made in Korea. See what they did here. I'm skeptical actually. They actually covered this place for me. I'm actually skeptical about this one. Okay, let me go to the cleansing foam. I think it should be the same thing. I think it should be the same thing because they actually covered made in Korea here, and they covered here too. So see the way they did their own packaging. Okay, like damn, it's messed up. I'm going to try both of them to see the difference. So they actually covered here for me too. Guys, it's not even neat. It's not neat. What did they do here? What did they do here then? Oh damn. Guys, fingers crossed. Looks like I'm not going to order skincare on Temu again because this one is looking, no, it's looking somehow. I don't know if I should be crying right now. I don't know if I should be crying. I just don't know if I should be crying right now. It looks really different. Looks really, the difference is clear. The difference is clear. Okay, let me go to one of the sunscreen I ordered. Okay, this product is from UK, but the manufacturers is manufactured in China. Made in China. Okay, it has shelf life of 3 years. I just pray this shouldn't leave a white cast. I just pray it shouldn't leave a white cast. Okay. This one is looking different though. It's looking different. Let me see. Hope it's not going to give me a white cast. It's unscented. Okay, it's fruit. It's unscented, Sha. It's unscented. Yay, guys. It's unscented. But I like that. It's moisturizing. It's lightweight. And I think it's going to give a white cast. Okay. Guys. See, white cast. It's white cast too. Let me see. Let me leave it. Good. So man, this is going to give a white cast. I'm regretting buying it. So it's waste of money, waste of resources actually. But the moisturizing is okay. Let me open the second one. Well, so look at this second one. Let me see how this one is. The packaging is somehow. The packaging is somehow. This one is the same thing. Let me try this one here. Let me bring out this one. Yeah, they look alike though. They look alike. They look alike. Let me try this one here, and I believe it's the same thing. They are 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 the same thing. I like that it's lightweight. This one is lightweight as well. Wow. That. So I'm not disappointed in this one. I'm very disappointed in this. See how this one is actually blending. So this one needs to dry up. Okay, let me go back to this. Try and blend it. No. This is a no, and it's drying. This one is for dry skin. Yeah, it's drying. This is a no. This is a no. It's a no. I think I prefer this. I'm even regretting why I didn't order 2 of this. So it was specified that when applying the sunscreens, actually for both of them. Okay, for this one, when applying it, you should, squeeze an appropriate amount of the sunscreen to the palm. When applying, just gently put an appropriate amount and stay for 10 to 15 minutes afar after applying, so that the sunscreen will form a protective membrane, right? So that's for if you're applying makeup, maybe on your face or your neck. Just stay for like 10 minutes before you apply your makeup. So I think this should go. So this is okay. Wow. So I'm going to actually send the link of this to my video, so that you people should also try out this particular brand. But I don't know how authentic this is. Like, I'm skeptical right now. So this here, this hand, anyway, it's not a total waste of money, sure. So looks like I'm going to trash this or maybe use it for as a moisturizer, because it's actually moisturizing, just like it gives this white deposit, white cast, right? So it's a no-no for me though. I think this is all for now, what I ordered from Temu. Guys, please look for my link. I'll send the link to this video. Please try and order. Use my link so I can get more free gifts.